Definitely milestone for the company. We've made no bones about marketing our gold opportunity to seeking a major partner to develop it. We're really pleased that Hunan has stepped up and expressed this type of interest.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Brian Fowler. He is the CEO of North Star Gold Corp. And Brian, good to see you again. How are you?
Great to see you, Steve. I'm well, thanks.
Well, Brian, significant news out from the company today on your Miller Copper Gold property, signing an MOU with a company out of China called Hunan Non-Ferrous. And I know this one has taken a lot of time, a lot of work to get to this point.
Yeah, no, you're right. It has been a bit of a journey, but I'm very pleased with this morning's announcement. This is a culmination of some serious talks other side, and yeah, Hunan is a very large geological exploration technical service unit out of Hunan province, and they've got extensive resource experience and resource development and overseas mineral rights evaluation and due diligence, geological exploration and cooperative development on non-ferrous metals. So we're very pleased to have attracted their attention and announcing this MOU this morning.
Yeah, and they've done a little bit of due diligence before this deal. There's going to be a lot more to come. We'll talk about that in a second. But they had obviously looked at the property, I think, beforehand and felt comfortable with what you were doing and where this is going.
Absolutely, yeah. Earlier this month, we provided access to the company's data room. We entered into a confidentiality agreement, and then we provided a letter of invitation to their team and their company, and they are right now mobilizing a group of specialists to come to Canada and come to the property to undertake a site inspection and do all part of their due diligence. And this will all be at their own expense. So we're hopeful that they'll have boots on the ground here towards the end of next month.
Yeah, and so this agreement calls for about 10,000 meters of drilling as well. This is exciting to get this kind of work done, especially as you mentioned with the quality of team that Hunan has.
Yeah, this agreement is focused just on gold on the Miller property. As you know, we've got significant copper prospects as well, but Hunan is explicitly interested in the gold, and this is an excellent non-dilutive way to advance our Allied Gold Zone, where we have this into 2022. SRK completed a exploration target study that had an upper range of 2.04 grams per ton gold for exceeding 500,000 ounces in a near surface deposit within 150 meters of surface. So when I say non-dilutive, this Hunan has provided the opportunity to develop a compliant 43-101 gold resource and earn a negotiated interest in this resource by providing up to 10,000 meters of diamond drilling. So it's like I said, this is a sweet deal. We're going to be on the property towards the end of the next month, and immediately after the visit, both companies are going to enter into good faith negotiations to develop a cooperative agreement to keep the ball going and move the project forward.
Yeah, Brian, last question, just on sort of a sort of larger picture type thing. How important is it to be able to bring a partner in on a project, especially with what we've seen in the markets the last couple of years? I mean, this is obviously good for their company, but also good for your company as well.
No, absolutely. No, this is definitely a milestone for the company. We've made no bones about marketing our gold opportunity to seeking a major partner to develop it. We're really pleased that Hunan has stepped up and expressed this type of interest. And like I said, it's non-dilutive, so this doesn't involve any shares or anything like that. It's just they'll earn an interest into the project, into the gold side of things by providing what they're experts in, and that's diamond drilling and analytical procedures. So yeah, this is a very important and significant development for North Star.
Absolutely. Well, we look forward to following this over the months to come. Brian, thanks so much. Congratulations on this, and we'll talk soon, okay?
You bet. Thank you, Steve.
All right, Brian Fowler, the CEO of North Star Gold Corp.